Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Ocean Protocol, so a little bit about it, what it is, also some price analysis, and also a price prediction, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So let's get started. So the Ocean Protocol leverages blockchain technology to create a trusted and secure environment for exchanging data and also services. So let's dive a little bit deeper. It is an open source protocol that aims to allow businesses and individuals to exchange and monetize data and data-based services. The protocol runs on the Ethereum blockchain as well, so it's a token, and it uses data tokens as a means of access to control for data assets. And these tokens are redeemed by users who require access to the data. In this way, data providers can maintain control over their data and also earn revenue from its use. So Ocean Protocol aims to provide a solution for the challenges faced by the current centralized data economy, where data is often siloed and data providers have limited control over the use of their data. The platform offers a decentralized marketplace for data and also services, connecting data providers and consumers securely and transparently. So who are the founders of Ocean? Ocean Protocol was founded by Bruce Pon, Trent Carnegie, and also Matt Hall in 2017. The founders bring extensive experience in the fields of blockchain technology, data management, and also software management. Bruce Pon is a recognized expert in the field of blockchain and has co-founded several successful companies in the past. Trent McConaughey is a well-known name in the blockchain space, having co-founded the blockchain company BigchainDB. Matt Hall is a software engineer with extensive experience in building and also deploying large-scale systems. Ocean Protocol is backed by two entities: the Ocean Protocol Foundation, a non-profit based in Singapore, and the Ocean DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. So that brings us to really, what makes up the Ocean Protocol? Ocean Protocol is made up of the following: the Ocean Market. This is a decentralized marketplace for data and data-based services built on top of the Ocean Protocol. The marketplace provides a secure and transparent way for individuals and organizations to exchange data and data-based services, and it also enables data providers to monetize their data assets. And here are the various features of the Ocean Market. So data listing and discovery. Ocean Market allows data providers to list their data assets on the marketplace, and it provides a searchable database for data sets for data consumers to browse and also find the data that they need. The marketplace makes it easy for data consumers to discover and access high quality data sets and provides a streamlined and efficient way for data providers to monetize their data. It's also secure and transparent. So Ocean Market uses smart contracts to manage transactions and ensure that they are executed as intended. They also have data tokens. So Ocean Market uses data tokens as a means of access for control for data sets. The tokens are used to gate access to the data, and they are redeemed by data consumers who need to access the information. And this way, data providers can maintain control over their data and also earn revenue from its use, while data consumers can access the data that they need. And also, lastly, we have privacy enhancing technologies. So the marketplace uses privacy enhancing technologies such as secret contracts to protect users' privacy. And these technologies allow data providers to control access to their data while also protecting the privacy of data consumers. The privacy enhancing technologies help to ensure that users have control over their personal data and also can choose how it's used. So that was part A of the Ocean Protocol, and then part B is to compute to data. So this feature of the Ocean Protocol allows for data sharing while preserving user privacy, and this feature is designed to enable data providers to share their data assets with data consumers while maintaining control over their data and ensuring privacy. Ocean Protocol's compute to data uses a decentralized architecture, and this means that no central intermediaries are involved in the computation process, and the data is kept secure and also private. And this eliminates the need for trust and also intermediaries, and provides a more secure and transparent way of conducting computations on encrypted data. Further, data providers are allowed to monetize their data assets. In this way, data providers can earn revenue from using their data while also ensuring that it remains protected and secure. In addition, compute to data strikes a balance between security and accessibility by allowing data consumers to perform computations on encrypted data while preserving the data provider's privacy. And this helps to ensure that the data is used responsibly and securely, and it provides a framework for secure and efficient data exchange and also computation. So that brings us to the tokenomics. So Ocean has a maximum supply of 1.4 billion tokens, and it also has a total supply currently at 613 million, and that's the circulating supply right now is 613 million, and that's 43%. So there's still going to be around 60% to be produced and go into the circulating supply. So something to keep note of. So of this 1.4 billion, 20% of the tokens are allocated to the platform's founders, 5% to the Ocean Protocols Foundation, or OPF, and 15% to acquirers. The remaining tokens are allocated to the founding teams and also network rewards. So the tokenomics of Ocean are designed to incentivize participants to contribute to the platform, and by rewarding them with tokens. This helps to create a strong and active community of contributors who help to maintain and also improve the platform. In addition, the allocation of tokens to the founders, OPF, and acquirers ensures enough funding for the platform's development and also growth. So initially, the majority of the tokens were pre-mined for acquirers, the foundation, and the founding teams with a lockup period of 1.5 to 5 years. However, from the third quarter of 2022, the increase in Ocean token supply came solely from the network reward. So initially, the majority of the tokens were pre-mined for acquirers, the foundation, and the founding teams with a lockup period of 1.5 to 5 years. However, from the third quarter of 2022, the increase in Ocean token supply came solely from the network reward, which was emitted programmatically with a 10-year half-life. This long half-life was intended to maintain incentives for keepers and service providers who validated transactions on the network. The incentivization of keepers, data providers, and other service providers on the Ocean network was primarily achieved through network rewards. And at its peak, network rewards were expected to reach approximately 4.74 million tokens per month during the 2021 to 2022 timeframe. During the first year of the network's operation, the token supply inflation was at 104%. However, it gradually decreased over time, and by 2024, it's expected to be at 6.8% and 5.9% in 2025. So really, we can see here that it hit this all-time high at around $1.93. We can see that it wicked up there. Now, it really was around $1.60, but in some cases, it probably wicked up to $1.90. Now, that was the all-time high. It hasn't been up to that point, and that was back in April of 2021. Now, recently, it's actually kind of found this floor at around 15 cents, and it kind of maintained in there actually for a while. It was hovering in this period for close to 230 days actually, and recently it's come up from that floor, and it's really up right now 180% from that point, so quite a lot. Now, is it going to make it to its all-time high again at this point? To be honest, I'm not really sure. I kind of have a bearish outlook over the market right now. I mean, just the macroeconomics of things are not really looking that good, especially with inflation, with the job outlook, with rising interest rates. It's tough to really say that, risk on assets like crypto will continue to increase. I'm just not really convinced just yet. Now, with that said, it has rallied 180% just recently, so we'll see what happens. Now, again, with the tokenomics, only 43% are in circulation right now, so there's still 60% to come out and to be circulating eventually. So just something to keep in mind. Now, with that said, it's also ranked 140 when we're taking a look at the market cap, and currently the market cap is at 246 million right now, with the fully diluted market cap at 565 million. So, it's kind of far out when we're taking a look at ranking. It's not the rarest token that I've talked about or anything like that. So it really has a lot of room to grow. Now, when we're taking a look at the fundamentals, they seem pretty strong. And then when we're taking a look at the pumpamentals, at to which point, yes, I said the word pumpamentals. I'm taking that from the word from Ivan on Tech on YouTube. When we're taking a look at the pumpamentals, it still has a far place to go. Like it can move quite a way, and also the price action can move a lot. Now, currently, it's at 40 cents. Let's just hypothetically say if it was that of the, let's just say, Trust Wallet's position at 557 million. For a market cap, that would put the potential price of one Ocean token to $1.28, or an upside of 217%. Moving even further here, if it was that, for example, of KuCoin at 840 million, then that would put the potential price to close to $2 at an upside of 379%. Moving even further here, if it was that, for example, of Algorand, that would be at $3.79 or 838% of a potential upside. And then moving forward, if it was that of, for example, Cardano, and it moved to an $11.9 billion market cap, that would put the potential price to $27 or an upside of 67x. Moving even further, if it was that of, for example, Bitcoin, that would put the potential price of one Ocean to $433 or an upside of 2,470x. Let me know where you guys think Ocean is going to go in the comments down below. Also, make sure to check out Bybit if you guys are interested in trading Ocean, and also make sure to check out my Telegram group linked in the description below. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video. We'll see you in the next one.